Solving quadratic inequalities into variables if a is negative and the graph opens downward. These are the example of the quadratic inequalities into variables if a is negative. Y greater than negative x squared. Y less than or equal to negative x squared minus 100. Y greater than negative x squared plus 9. What could be the code for solving quadratic inequalities? That is graph method. G, graph the boundary curve. It means change the inequality sign into an equal sign. R, recognize the boundary. So to be able to recognize the boundary, use a solid curve for greater than or equal or less than or equal. If the given symbol having greater than or equal, less than or equal, that could be the solid curve. Use a dash curve for greater than or less than. A. A. Apply a test point. So usually, kapag nag-a-apply ng test point, usually use 0, 0 if it is not on the curve. So pwedeng pumili based on the graph if that is opens downward or upward. You can choose 0, 0 pwedeng above or below the curve. Perform substitution. Substitute the point into the inequality. H, that highlight the solution region. Shade the region that satisfies the inequality. Quadratic inequalities into variables if the given is y greater than negative x squared, our code graph. So G, graph the boundary curve. So before we find the shaded region, let us graph. If the given is negative x squared, so it means if we replace x by 0, so if x is equal to 0, it means 0, 0. That could be the y-axis. So nag-touch siya within the y-axis. Negative, so it means the graph opens downward. So ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph. The graph opens downward, so 0, 0. So the graph opens downward. After graphing y greater than negative x squared, R, recognize the boundary. Let us replace the value of y by equals. Y equals negative x squared. So A, apply a test point. So hindi pwedeng 0, 0 because y equals negative x squared. Touch the 0, 0. So pwede natin gamitin that is 0, negative 3. X is 0, y that is negative 3. Let us perform substitution. Replace y, that is negative 3, while x, that is 0. So that becomes negative 3 greater than negative 0 squared. Bring down negative 3 greater than 0. So it means negative 3 greater than 0, that is false. So yung napili natin na false, hindi natin yun isi-shade yung part na yun. So, yung given natin, 0, negative 3. Etong 0, negative 3, etong part na to ay nagkaroon ng false. It means the shaded part is above the curve. So, draw a dash formula because yung given natin is walang equal. So, dash parabola and shade above the curve. So, dito magto-true kasi yung 0, negative 3 kanina, that is false. Number 2, y less than negative x squared plus 25. So first, we need to graph the boundary curve. So this one is less than. So it means our boundary curve is, isipin natin kung above the curve or below the curve. So A is negative, so it means the graph opens downward. So pababa siya. So let us replace the value of x by 0 to identify the y-intercept. So 0 plus 25, that is 25. So it means our y-intercept, that is 0, 25. So this one, 0, and then 25. So this is our y-intercept. How to get the x-intercept? So to get the x-intercept, so negative x squared plus 25 equals 0. So it means kung ililipat natin yung x squared, 25 is equal to x squared. And the square root of 25 is 5 and negative 5. So the x-intercept is negative 5 and positive 5. So the graph opens downward. So this is less than. So ibig sabihin nun, dash parabola curve. After graphing y less than negative x squared plus 25, R recognize the boundary. So replace less than by equals. Y equals negative x squared plus 25. A. Apply a test point. So pwede tayo mag-test point pwedeng above or below the curve. So para mas madali, usually use 0, 0. Let us perform substitution to the given equation y less than negative x squared plus 25. Y is 0, x 0. So 0 less than negative 0 squared plus 25. So 0 is equal to 0 plus 25, that is 25. So it means 0 less than 25, that is true. 25 is greater than 0. In applying a test point, that is 0, 0. So it means this part is true. So we need to shade below the curve. So it means if that is below the curve, draw a dash parabola. So this is the dash parabola and shade below the curve. So this part, yung shaded part, because nag-true up after applying a test point. What if y less than or equal to negative x squared plus 25? Let us graph the boundary curve. So, the boundary curve, so tingnan natin kung up or below the parabola. Also, the given 0, 25, that could be the y-axis. Square root of 25, so that is negative 5 and positive 5. The graph opens downward, that is solid parabola curve. So y less than or equal to negative x squared plus 25. Replace it with equals. So recognize the boundary y equals negative x squared plus 25. Afterwards, let apply a test point. So to apply a test point, so yung pinakamadali, usually use 0, 0. So let us replace the value of x by 0, y by 0. So perform substitution. So that becomes 0 less than or equal to negative 0 squared plus 25. So 0 less than or equal to 25. So 25 is greater than or equal to 0. So it means thus that part that is true. So yung shaded part natin is below the curve. So it means the given 0, 0 that is true. So ito yung pinaka shaded part natin ng parabola. So the shaded part, draw a solid parabola. So nakasolid yung parabola natin. And shade below the curve because based on the test point, this 0, 0 that is true. Y greater than or equal to 16 minus x squared. Let us graph the boundary curve. So let us replace x by 0. So that becomes 16 minus 0, that is 16. And the square, so it means the value for y is equal to 16. So 0 and then 16. So kung tititigan natin yung graph, so this is 0 and then 16. If that is 0 and then 16, so yun yung y-axis natin. Next, let us solve for the x-intercept. 16 minus x squared equals 0. So it means kung ililipat natin yung x squared, 16 equals x squared. If we get the square root on both sides, 16, the square root of 16, it is positive and negative 4. So the y-intercept is 0, 16, while the x-intercept touches negative 4 and positive 4. So it means yung ordered pair no, negative 4 is 0, positive 4 is 0. And the value for a is negative, so the graph opens downward. So if that is y greater than or equal to 16 minus x squared, let us recognize the boundary y equals 16 minus x squared. Let us apply a test point. So, hindi naman siya nag-touch na 0, 0. So, let us apply 0, 0 at a test point. Let us perform substitution to the given equation y greater than or equal to 16 minus x squared. Our x is 0 and y 0. So that becomes y greater than or equal to 16 minus x squared. So 0 greater than or equal to 16 minus 0 squared. So it means that is 0 greater than or equal to 16. 0 greater than or equal to 16, that is false. So yung part na may 0, 0, so that is false. Ito yung part na may 0, 0. So, draw a dash parabola. And then this 0, 0 is false. So, it means we need to shade that is below the curve. Instruction: graph the following. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.